Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Just coming to you actually from Lake of the Ozarks is where I'm at actually right now. I'm actually out here for a 20 group. If you're familiar with basically what a 20 group is, it's like basically essentially 20 other people in our industry, from the paintless dent repair industry all across the United States, are actually all meeting together this weekend at Lake of the Ozarks at the Four Seasons here, and we're actually getting together and discussing lots of business stuff, business information and whatnot. We actually had two speakers this morning actually doing Zoom calls basically with us, or Zoom live meetings I guess I should say, and one of them was the author Michael with a Profit First. So he actually talked about basically the finance side of business and getting your obviously putting profits first, so which is it was a big eye-opener as far as the finance world and kind of, you know, running a business from a different perspective. And then second off, we had Ron White, not the comedian, actually speaking, and he was actually discussing he's a basically a professional, how do you word it, I guess essentially a guy that memorizes things. So he had a few world records back in the day, quite a few years ago, and was basically talking about, you know, how to memorize. Basically, the way we were applying it in our business was through memorizing names. So obviously we do lots of customer interactions and stuff with people, and being able to memorize people's names and meet them and then remember them. You know, I mean, think about how many times people meet people and they go, oh, I recognize your face, but I don't, I can't put a name to it. You know what I mean? Something like that. So it's just it's been a good morning for learning and whatnot, and we're actually going to be getting together here now in just a few minutes and actually doing a round table discussion. So it'll be pretty interesting for the aspect of a bunch of us all working together to kind of help better everybody's business. So anyways, guys, so I just figured I'd check in with you here on Saturday morning here, or Saturday afternoon here, and it's a beautiful day out, and get out and enjoy the weather. If I know apparently Sioux Falls is kind of crappy out right now, so maybe stay inside and enjoy the inside. So anyways, if you need anything from us, feel free to go ahead and give us a call or text message at 605-595-4061, or visit our website. We'd be happy to get you signed up with our contact info there, and then we'll contact you on Monday and follow up with some of your needs. So anyways, take care and have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.